Alright, hi guys, and welcome to this car video. I am completely not feeling well today, but this morning I made this wig, right? And today is, let me tell you the date. Today is the 2nd of March, and at my church last night they had some conference, and I led worship, and I'm leading worship tomorrow. And whenever I lead worship, my voice goes. But I'm actually continuing my pregnancy Q&A, and obviously I have to talk about this hair that I'm wearing. So this hair is from Zamar Asukam. So this hair is from BeautyForever Hair. It's their Malaysian curly in 14-inch and also 12-inch. Yo, this wig, bruh, is so tight. Bruh, I know I made it so tight. Like, it's snug on my head. So I am wearing a frontal. And I'm sorry, I'm wearing a closure, not a frontal. You can see right there. Nothing is plucked or nothing. You can see. Does I look like I'm actually on the road? No, but I know I have to get this video up and out for you guys. And because, let me see if I can get some sexy lighting. Right, so yeah, so I just opened the window to give you guys a bit more light. So it looks like two 14 inches, 12-inch closure, and 12-inch bundles. So it's 3 bundles and a closure. I love this. And I must say, when I'm doing shorter wigs, this took me like an hour and a half to do, at max 2 hours. That was me stopping, checking, because I'm doing well, by the time this video it would have already gone. But while I was making this wig, I was doing a flash sale for my Pome Fitness belts. I'm at a football match, you guys. Like, I'm just trying to do this for y'all, honey. Right, so let's just continue with the questions with my pregnancy Q&A. So okay, that was a missed call. So I have one from Lavanya.
Listen to me. Now watch your video, and I'm gonna need you to stop apologize to people when nice they in the background. You don't need to apologize to anybody. If them don't like it, so be it. No apologize. Carry on with the day. What am I listening in the background for?
Ooh, look at Lavanya. Girl, baby girl. Girl, baby girl. Okay, so Cherry Red 26 says, you look beautiful pregnant. Aw, thank you. So Gaza Girl 98 says, how did you find out you were pregnant? Did you miss your period? And did you have implantation bleeding? Crap. Okay, so let me answer this question in depth because of how it was phrased, right? So I really wanted to get pregnant because Jonathan is 3, and I didn't want him to be an only child. And I've always had it in my head, okay, I can have 2 children, I can have 2 children, I can have 2 children. You know what I mean? So I knew I wanted to be pregnant, but I was kind of unsure. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. And then having Jonathan, then school, and then uniform. So, I just really want to get pregnant. My husband, I think I said this before, surprised him with a little vacation at Royalton White Sands or Royalton White Sands. And girl, I was just like, this is so beautiful. Impregnate me, you know? So, I mean, I don't know. So I really wanted to get pregnant, and I thought I was a couple times, and I wasn't. I was like, crap. You know, and then at one point I have this app on my phone. It's called the Flow app on my phone. So I just one that tracks your periods. So I have the app on my phone, and I realized that my date just kept on pushing back when I'm supposed to see my period. Just kept on pushing back. I'm like, why is it being pushed back? I'm not logging anything in, but it just kept on pushing it back. I'm like, what the heck is going on? Like, how can the app know I'm pregnant? That's crazy. So now, that was a horn. So now I did pregnancy test, and it was positive, honey. I did a couple, like 2, like initially when I thought I was pregnant, it never worked out. And then I did the cheap one, and then I saw it, and then I did the expensive one, and it was just beautiful. I was so happy I thought I was pregnant. So Shine Sherry says, hey, look, first of all, I love you. I've been watching you faithfully since bunk bed days. Okay, my question is, did you guys plan this pregnancy? Yes, but then we're kind of shocked when it happened. But yes. What was your initial reaction when you found out? I was ecstatic. I was happy because I was keep on having to do pregnancy tests and it wasn't working. Like, dang it, you know. So I was happy. Oh, and can you please do some type of virtual baby shower so your loyal subscribers and the gifts? Oh, can give the newest. Oh my God, you guys want to send me gifts? Well, you know what? Let me tell you. If you want to send me gifts, just email me at lyricmua@hotmail.com. So lyricmua@hotmail.com. Email me, let me know what you want to do, and then I can send an address to you. It won't be a local address. It would be a third party shipping address where you can send stuff in the US to me, and then they send it out here in Jamaica. But you have to ship it. You have to ship it so the package arrives either on a Monday or on a Wednesday. And then I get the package the following week. So yeah. So Shante_65 says, I want to know, when you were 3 months old, did you do a lot of work? Because I'm 3 months pregnant and I'm doing 9 to 5 housekeeping job. Is that too much at 3 months pregnant? Yeah, but you have to understand that I miscarried our first child, and then we had Jonathan. And when I found out I was pregnant with Jonathan, I did nothing, boo. And I did not care what anybody wanted to say. I just did nothing whatsoever because I was afraid of losing the babe. And the same thing with this one. But I'm doing more now than I was with Jonathan because I'm vlogging, I'm working. Oh, and I'm not working much. But with Jonathan, though, I did a lot of makeup jobs with Jonathan. Even when I just had Jonathan, too. When I just had Jonathan would come with me, like I have makeup job, my mobby and so. I'm gonna take nuts for go down. I buy 2 seats, one for me, one for him carry and him in my sleep. And I was worried about him being on the car. I was like, yo, I really hope he doesn't, make no noise or whatever. And he didn't. So it depends on you, but 9 to 5 is a lot. Just checking with the doctor as often as possible. I wouldn't say Google or research much because that thing will scare you. But just checking with the doctor as often as possible what you can and cannot do.
Okay, so my question is weight gain. How much pound did you put on? Have you put on since you got pregnant? Because I remember when I was pregnant, I lost weight. I didn't gain no weight until after I had the baby.
Okay, so that was by Celia. So girl, the last time I weighed, I was 150, and I didn't mind being 150 or so, like 145, 150, because I was busy putting on muscle, right? Celia, tell me why my 181 pounds in a blood cleanse, Jesus name. I've gained a couple pounds, and I'm only at like 5 months or pregnancy, so I've gained weight. So Goddess_Nick says, are you having a baby show? I mean, yeah, more than likely, but I'm not going to plan that. Like, my people will do that. So Adele Martin 145 says, how are you doing, XX? I'm fine. Vancy 2 says, what was the most difficult part? Did you find out foods or even your vitamins? Did regular medication were hard to take and keep down? No. Was pregnancy planned? Yeah, it was semi-planned. And as I said earlier on, I think in my part 1 video, I just had food aversions, which was quite new to me. So C Parrot 79 53 says, LOL, he's so cute. This must be Jonathan. It's not me, Jonathan. Okay, I'm just trying to go through. Okay, so now everything is okay. I'm talking about Jonathan. Okay, oh my gosh, because I had snapped Jonathan. So everybody asking me about Jonathan. Yeah. Okay, so that's it for this the Q&A of my pregnancy. As I said before, in part 1, I am 5 months pregnant. I'm 21 weeks now. It's like 5 months and like a week pregnant. This upcoming week I'll be 22 weeks pregnant, and I'm going by the measurements of my doctor and not what the ultrasound says. But when I think we're going to go back to get an ultrasound done at probably 4 weeks from now or 3 weeks from now. they're both. Yes, we know the sex of the child. Yes, we have names already. And yeah. I don't mind sharing, but I kind of want to do something cool with it, you guys know what gender and like the name, you know. So I'm not sure as yet, and I've been asking Jermaine if he wants to film do my makeup on video. So I really want to get him on my channel, especially for this month of March. Fingers are crossed up, let's hope and see. But this is it for this video. Please tell me what you think of my hair. Should I put it into a bang? Should I make this one like another curl? Oh, I think I'm going to make this into another bang. Look at that. Okay, it's done. I'm making this into a bang. Look how cute that looks. That looks cute. So I'm going to make it into a bang. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. I'm so exhausted. Growing a child is not easily done. It's not easy at all. It's so hard. Like I just don't want to do nothing. Just want to shower and stuff. But when I get new hair and everything, I get really excited. But yes, I'll talk to you guys in my next video.